back up and pace and work on my hillbilly friends. Broken down Chevy pickup truck. Looks like restoring the power was too much for it, so it blew a head gasket over here. We replaced the head gasket on that side about 5-6 years ago, maybe longer. So it looks like this one gave up the ghost. Get in there, mountain man. Spare part. Can't get the socket on this back head bolt because of all the Chevy sludge around it. I'm taking that out. Yeah. All right, it's ready to come off.
I guess there's no cheating.
Standing over there. Come on up,
Dang.
There it goes. Oh yeah. Come on, Chevy. All right, get it done. Let's see which ones. So it would be this back one. Doesn't like. It's got the normal increase in oil burning and stuff, but
Over here, right there.
Well, it's tore off now, so who knows? But sometimes they'll stay intact enough to kind of see it, but this gasket annihilated when you lifted it off. I think it just died of sheer Chevy age.
No, the guy did not have an antifreeze in it.
Oh, from the previous owner?
Yeah.
Maybe. So now you're going to have to start scraping, and that sucks.
Look, it was nice red.
Yeah, it doesn't look all that bad in there.
No, but I'm saying it's burning nice.
Yeah. It just means a lot of wide open throttle use. Hillbilly Chevy cleaning service. Hillbilly got some new tools. Impactor.
Hey, you want to see something that's worshipness?
Get ready to use the wire wheel on the Chevy. What were you saying?
That's a crack.
Does. Using a massive wire wheel. Ain't screwing around to clean this head. But look, I just noticed there's a lot of pitting on this head. Look at that. But the thing that's scaring us is this right here. That almost looks like it goes into your chamber. That probably wouldn't make it leak coolant though, but which cylinder?
Number 8.
This one, yeah, not this one. I think it was just your head gasket leaking, but this engine's definitely got some tired old stuff. I mean, maybe throwing a head gasket on will make it run if you want to actually go through all that.
Butthole.
All right, we're checking out the pitting on this.
Right here's where it matters because that's where the big O-ring is.
Yeah. It'll probably seal the cylinder because it's but around the whole water ports.
Yeah.
Right here, man, that's a lot of pitting between the block and what's that passage?
But it wasn't leaking there.
It's also in the water jacket. Yeah, these are all water jackets. So yeah, it pitted. Man, I mean, the gasket's probably gonna, maybe leak to the outside eventually again. But,
well, it didn't leak to the outside.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't leak into
I think
the
that
cylinder.
gasket was just old and crappy and,
Yeah.
But that weird line going down your combustion chamber, it's probably been like that for a while. I guess just throw it together just to get it to run, and then I would, knowing that this engine's just so old, just find another used one or something, or a crate engine later. See where I used the beefy wire wheel on this half. But now that we got the light just right, I mean, come on, we don't even have a... I know you could do like the Magna gate, or Magna, whatever they used to call it, where they would, find cracks, but we don't even need that. I could see a line starting here going all the way down into this chamber to the intake valve. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you could see that right there. Look at that. Can you guys see it? Get the sun just right. Dude, that thing's wicked. I mean, maybe it's superficial, but that's just weird that it's so pronounced all the way down that. But it's not, he didn't lose power or anything until the coolant started just leaking and coming out to number 8 back there. So that's kind of what to do. That and just all the pitting. I mean, there's a ton of it. Got pretty good surface area here where the compression's going to be sealed. And these holes aren't so bad, but the block though, man, there's a lot of pitting around those joints. Look at that. Look at that. Man. I had it backwards. That's not 8. This is number 8 over here.
Yeah.
So it probably blew out the ring right
that's
here,
it
and that's
right
where
there.
the coolant went into the cylinder. So that crack, that crack looks menacing, but it's just on number 4, and it's right in the middle of the combustion chamber. So if you know how no parts up here in Hillbillyville,
And
if you want to run them, we just got to put it back, clean it, and put it back together.
something
the way it
hit
is.
right here.
Oh yeah, it looks like something like a spark plug tip or something bounced around in
And
there.
I did lose a spark plug tip. Remember, I took a picture of it and put it on the web.
Did you?
On Facebook?
Yeah. It dinged it, but the piston, and that's weird that the steel got damaged and not the aluminum usually.
And then, this is actually less pitted here on the head than the block is.
Yeah, and the gasket I think just has 2 little weep holes anyway right there once we clean all that up. So we'll see.
Half of these are blocked anyhow
Yeah.
on the gasket.
Yeah, they have little holes or something. Oh well, let's just finish cleaning and throw it together, I guess, because if you want it to run.
There's nothing more that we could really do today.
Nope.
The worst case scenario is hopefully it holds together long enough for us to
Find another
build a
engine.
new motor.
Yeah. Put a Ford engine in it. You put a Coyote engine in it.
Everybody that races uses Chevy.
Because it's just cheap and stuff, but it's no longer, now the Coyote engine is so menacing and popular that people are starting to build those and realize that people 5.0 engines are, rivaling a bigger engine, so can't talk shit about that.
What am I missing?
What I'm saying wow about, because I felt it, they're all stuck in me and they're poking me like needles. Fine. But I'm glad I found this. Fine wire, 4-inch wheel. That kicks ass for cleaning heads and blocks. Get her done. Yeah, get the slime. You're brand new. D-Walt impactor. Oh yeah, just a snugget. Oh, too easy.
That's a head bolt.
Yep.
Butthole.
Yeah, I'm just barely sucking it in.
Switch that.
Getting her done. Just torqued on the head. We added like an extra 10 foot-pounds for good measure.
There you go.
Since Hillbilly John's hogging the Thwaites drive, I'm going to use this new half-inch one.
There you go.
Reduced down to 10 millimeter
Take
for their shroud.
Take it.
Oh no.
Oh, it's done. Come on.
I'm done too.
No more. There's plastic.
I'm on the lowest setting. Wait,
That's
almost.
a piece of shit.
Yeah. How many foot-pounds do they say this was if we put it on high?
400.
Well, I put it on low right there, so it worked just right on these little
doubt
10
it.
millimeter bolts holding the plastic together. Somehow we lost track of the spark plug wires, so this is what you do. Only put the number 1 spark plug, and then we're going to see where the rotor slows down so we know where the number 1 wire goes. All right, I think I'm clear.
Contact.
Yep. Yep, okay. I had it in the right spot, right here. 1.
Okay.
Gonna be 1-843-6572 after that. Getting ready to start up the Hillbilly Deluxe, see if it lives again. Yeah. There she blows.